The other day I was watching a Denali presentation and this, what I think of it. Weld profile observation. Examining the diagram, the actual weld profile produced by a laser welder is shown. In this case, the plate thickness is 0.5 inch. The specific material type is not relevant. The setup illustrated is for a lap joint, though the same principle applies to a T-joint. Left side of the diagram represents the imagined wobble width, the beam spread required to achieve full penetration under proper setup. Right side of the diagram shows the actual measured wobble scan width, which is 5 mm. With a 4 kW Denali unit, the system should be capable of single-pass penetration on material up to 10 mm thick, provided parameters are correctly configured. The limitation is clear. The unit cannot scan at a 5/8 inch width. That constraint undermines the attempt to demonstrate something extraordinary. Instead of achieving a breakthrough, the effort backfired. Bottom line, with a 1500-watt unit, you can achieve the same results in lap joints as long as it is capable of scanning at 5 mm. A more realistic showcase would have been a butt joint in the 3/8 inch range, which I estimate would have worked, delivering one-pass full penetration. The video would be short, so before we weld the soda cans, I plugged in the utility blades. The weld bead sits at the thinnest section of the blade at the cutting edge. Once joined, the welded side remains thinner than the spine because no filler metal was added. Grinding and sharpening further emphasize the geometry, leaving the weld zone as the most delicate cross-section. Even though the weld zone is now twice as thick compared to the original edge, it is still thinner than the spine.
Okay. Now I'm gonna grind it. So if the weld is well, it's not a knife maker grind, but you know what I mean. And clear it together. See? I'm pressing. It doesn't break.
Right now, I'm counting turns. I need to know the surface speed.
Okay, how to weld Coke cans. I already done a bunch of them, but I want to make a little bit better quality. The problem was the sugar, and basically I burned some sugar. So what I did, I cleaned the can, this one. So let's go. So first I'm just gonna take one. Let's go to the side. Okay. Okay. Need one more tack. We're gonna be okay. Alright. I'm gonna set up a handrest. Start the boy. Let's clean it up. I'm gonna leave it here. Let's scratch right or something. Have to find a focus, all right. So as I said, I made a couple of them, but the sugar screwed me up. It creating fumes, so I had to clean the cans.
That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I will answer to the best of my knowledge. Check out my other laser welding videos. See you at the next.